You have a plumbing problem. You've been wandering the internet for hours, looking for someone who actually knows what they are doing. You think you need a wizard, someone to magically make the leak stop, the water heater work, or the slab leak disappear. You do not need a wizard. Wizards do not have a master plumbing license. Wizards do not offer 6 months of 0% financing. You just need Auger Pros. We don't do magic. We do proper diagnostics, professional repairs, and we actually show up when we say we will. Whether it's a clogged drain, a failing water heater, or a slab leak trying to ruin your week, stop wandering the yellow brick road. Bring in the pros, the plumbing company women trust. Auger Pros Plumbing, 214-206-6580.